How Elon Musk satellites are secretly destroying the Russian military. Well, Elon Musk satellites are connecting Ukraine with the internet. Starlink was conceived as a civilian program, but Ukraine's military can also use it to guide drones and strike Russian tanks and positions. Before we continue, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon to get updated with everything about technology and finance. Just after Russia's invasion began in late February, Ukrainian Vice Prime Minister Mikhailo Fedorov took to Twitter to ask US billionaire Elon Musk to activate his Starlink satellites for use in Ukraine. Musk swiftly tweeted his response. Starlink service is now active in Ukraine. More terminals en route. Soon after, several terminals and powerful batteries are sent to Ukraine. Others soon followed. Fedorov took to Twitter again to express his gratitude to Elon Musk. No secret dispatches, no long debates, no governmental or parliamentary controls, just a very public deal between a politician whose country has been attacked and an enigmatic billionaire who went on to challenge the aggressor, Russian President Vladimir Putin, to single combat. What at first looked like a PR coup now seems to be playing a significant role in Ukraine's defense. British media have reported that Ukraine's army is making very successful use of Starlink for drone attacks on Russian tanks and positions. The Telegraph reported that Starlink is of particular military significance in areas where the infrastructure is weak and there is no internet connection. According to the Telegraph, the aerial reconnaissance unit Aerorozvidka is using Starlink to monitor and coordinate unmanned aerial vehicles, enabling soldiers to fire anti-tank weapons with targeted precision. An officer with the Aerorozvidka unit described the system to the Times. We use Starlink equipment and connect the drone team with our artillery team. If we use a drone with thermal vision at night, the drone must connect through Starlink to the artillery guy and create target acquisition. The Times reported that the Aerorozvidka team runs about 300 information gathering missions each day. Attacks are then carried out at night, according to the newspaper, because the drones, some of which are equipped with thermal cameras, are almost impossible to see in the dark. But what else can Elon Musk do to help Ukraine? According to Musk, many governments asked Starlink to block Russian media. The billionaire responded that his company won't block access to Russian media sources on its Starlink internet system, despite requests from some governments. Elon tweeted, Starlink has been told by some governments, not Ukraine, to block Russian news sources. He added later, we will not do so unless at gunpoint. The request to Starlink comes as Russian military forces continue to invade Ukraine, and many nations, including the United States, levy harsh economic sanctions on Russia in protest. Some tech companies, like Google and Microsoft, have worked to block Russian media outlets like the state-run RT network and Sputnik, according to Newsweek. But Musk's statement implied Starlink would not block individual Russian-based news agencies. Let's see what people online think about this story. Stephen Fulton said, I hope that someday Elon Musk will be appreciated for all he has done for humanity. A tweet from Ray Hughes captured my attention. It's amazing how a private citizen is outperforming the sitting president of the United States in support of Ukraine. What do you think about this story? Is Elon Musk coming forward to help Ukraine in this crisis? Let us know in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about technology and finance.